YouTube, it's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Today's video is all about Kolari Vision's clip-in filters. I did a first impression, so now what I'm going to give you now is a BTS of me making a video portrait with
Daya.
And action. Good job. Like that. All right, stop. Stay right there.
Yeah.
And then, oh yeah, there we go. Sorry if I'm your girl. Can you, let me see, can you work with that right there? Okay, that's perfect. All right, ready? And action. Yep. Like it. Good job. Yeah, I can only shoot from this angle. Like that. Let's get you over here so we can go get these buildings behind you on the other side here. Because we can get all downtown if we go on this other side here. I feel really unsafe right now. I feel like if I just take that one little step back, like, okay, ready? This is nice. Oh man, come on. We have with us
Emily Graves.
She's going to help us out with this video. You right there?
Yeah.
You like just on a giggle box mode right now. You that nervous?
I'm not nervous, I just... What are we talking about?
Daya, how are you feeling
I'm feeling
today?
beautiful. Great.
Are you excited about this?
Super stoked.
You see,
I promise. I'm excited. My body language just might not convey that.
she's got a real chill vibe, guys. Don't even worry about it. She got a chill vibe like your boy here.